Hey, it's your boy Jay Will back with another video. I'm gonna drop this case study I'm working on a new case study with ClickBank. Let me show you guys. Log into my ClickBank real quick. Haven't been on ClickBank in a while. Made a sale today for $96.97. Just a second. So I had to take a quick phone call real quick, but let's go to ClickMagic. As you can see, I made 96 bucks today. ClickMagic is a tracking tool you will need for this case study. As you can see, only 4 clicks today, 1 customer, 1 sale, $96.97, the same as ClickBank. I'm gonna leave this tracking tool in the description below. You can sign up for it too. It's cheap. I think it's about $35 a month or something like that. But I'm gonna have a new case study dropping soon, so you guys stay tuned. In the meanwhile, like, subscribe, and comment.